Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at the $500 per day trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, this is what we usually do um during a program like this. I'll be analyzing the market, and I will be giving you some kind of direction or trading tips on what you should take or you should look out for whenever you are trading, so that you can make some money for yourself while doing that. Okay, but before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you do your analysis very well before you dive into before you apply any of the strategy. Okay, there are some things that you should take note of. Okay, but before going into that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, there are some things that you should also take note before you follow the full details of everything I will be dishing out in today's video. Okay, first of all, my analysis is based on my trading tool. Then another thing you need to take note of is my time of doing this analysis, which is 9 p.m. Nigerian time. So it now depends on whenever you are seeing it. Okay, so that will determine if you should still take it into consideration while you are doing your own analysis before you place your trade. Okay, then other things that you should also look out for is your trading lot size and other things. Make sure everything are in place so that you can trade successfully. But without wasting our time, let's quickly dive into into what we have for tonight. Okay, so let's go straight to the trading platform. But before we do that, these are some of the things we will be checking out. Okay, we will be checking out, or you can say I have it here as my $500 per day trading tips. Okay, so we'll be examining 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. So we'll be doing that together. I won't be doing that alone. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Okay, we're starting with boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000. The time frame I'm using is 15 minutes time frame. That is also very important. Okay, my time frame might be different from yours, so that is what I'm using. So that is why I'm letting you know about it right from now. Okay, actually boom 500, boom 1000 has been on uptrend starting from right here. Okay, it has been on uptrend till this level. The uptrend came to an end exactly at this stage. Okay, it came to an end right here, and that is on a resistance level. Came down a bit, went back up, and still came down. And like I said, if it is yet to break out successfully from the support zone, then it will find it difficult to go fully into a downtrend. Of course, it has been trying to do that. You can see it came down to this level, went back up, came down again. This is a pullback again. You can see each time you are in a trend, there will always be a pullback after going in that direction for a while. Okay, you can see it came down to this level. There was a pullback here, and right here it came down here, and there is another pullback, and definitely you should experience another sell any moment from now, even though we have a buy signal right here. But there will be a sell popping out right here very soon. So I'm not going to ask you to buy at the moment, even though we add a buy signal here, because a sell should be showing up very soon, because there is a pullback here, and it is almost at the resistance level. It is already at the resistance level, so definitely the pullback should come to an end here. So the trend should continue, and it should go below this level at this time. So there is going to be a sell any moment from now. So right now, boom, 1000, wait for the sell. I'm going to give it a sell, okay, but you can wait for the sell signal to come out before you jump into it, okay. So the sell signal will show up very soon, so let's wait for that. For those that are having the indicator, for those that are not having, or you can use other things to do your analysis before you dive into the trade, okay. So let's go straight with boom 500, okay, boom 500. Let's go straight to boom 500. I'm going to take it to 15-minute time frame. So let's do that. 15-minute time frame. Then let me zoom it in a bit, okay. For boom 500, you can see that it's been on an uptrend right from here. So it has been on an uptrend, and it was a very strong uptrend, and it got to this level. The trend actually came to an end right here. It came to an end right here, okay guys. You can see it's tested the resistance level here, came down a bit, went back to that same place, but this time around came down, went back again. But that was when the trend actually changed to downtrend, okay. But it has been finding difficult to break this support zone. You can see the support zone here. It has been finding difficult to break out from it successfully. So right now it is approaching the same resistance level again. So at this stage, you should be, even though we got a buy signal here, but we should be selling any moment from now, because the red arrow will be popping out any moment from now. This is around a resistance level. So, and the markets, the trend of the market is on, is on down. It is on downtrend already. So definitely it should be selling any moment from now. Okay. So it will be selling any moment from now, and I don't know how far it will go, but the market is on downtrend, and it is trying to break that support level, but it's going to sell up to that support level, and once it breaks the support level, then it's going to sell for a very long time. So it is also a sell. I'm going to give it a sell. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Before going fully into that, let me quickly say this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself via Forex niche, okay. So, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just click on the subscription button and set the notification bell to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video. So let's go straight to crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 on 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this has been on a very strong downtrend starting from here, and the trend came to an end right here. That is why I always tell you, when you follow all this, then you should be able to milk the market successfully. Just that most of the time you guys are not patient enough to follow the simple instructions that I usually dish out, okay. And like I always say, okay, when the opposite trend, okay, the initial trend it was coming from, okay, when it is a strong one, a very strong one, then definitely it is always difficult for it to change back totally. You can see it is trying to change back into uptrend, but check out the resistance levels here. Check out here, from this support level got to this level, resistance level, pull back, went back again, pull back, went back again, pull back. Okay, as you can see, it is going to go on uptrend, but this is what I will say, wait for it to break out from this consolidating region first. Okay, wait for it to break out from this level first before you dive into the trade. Okay, if it breaks out from this support level, you can place your pending order right above this resistance level. If it breaks out from this resistance level, okay, once it breaks out from it, then it will go fully into an uptrend right here. If you are going to sleep before it breaks out from it, you can put a pending order right here to so that the order will be triggered once it gets there, and it will start buying for you. Okay, so that is what I'm going to say with crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 waits for the breakout. Okay, once it breaks out, then you can buy at that point. Okay, so that is it. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500, guys. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. Where's crash 500? Okay, this is crash 500. Okay, good. Crash 500 was also on a very strong downtrend starting from here, and it's been going, try to fight this um, support level at this stage, but eventually breaks out from it and came down to this level, and it ended the downtrend right from here. So right now it's going back on uptrend. Okay, but it's going to fight this verified resistance level at this moment, because once it breaks that support level, it's turned this support level into a verified resistance level. You can see it has gotten there the first time, came down again. Now it is buying, and it is going to get there a second time. Of course, it is going to go on a buy signal, but right now, once it has gotten to this place, then a red arrow should be popping out, because it will start selling any moment from now. It's going to sell for a while, and after selling for a while, once it gets to that support level, it will continue with the buy. Okay, I'm going to show you the support level right now. It will continue with a buy, and probably once it gets to the resistance level again, it can start selling again, except if it breaks out from that resistance level. This is the support level, and this is the resistance level, and that is the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. So you guys should do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade, guys. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and you can always reach out to me using any of these contact details displayed on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then,